In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks in ClickUp 4.0. Automation in ClickUp is a powerful way to eliminate repetitive work and keep your workflows consistent. It's built on simple if-then logic. A trigger starts the process. Optional conditions refine when it should run, and actions carry out the task. Triggers are the when this happens moment. Conditions add precision, so the rule only fires in specific scenarios. And actions are the then do this result. On some plans, conditions unlock more sophisticated control, but even the basics will save you time immediately. Let's set this up inside ClickUp. At the top of your screen, look for the lightning bolt icon. That's the automation hub. Hover over it and click Automate to open the Automation Center. We'll build one from scratch, so click Create Automation. From the categories, choose Project Management. Then select the template that streamlines task management by auto-setting key custom fields at task creation. This is especially handy if you use forms, because every submitted task arrives with the right details already in place. Customize the action details. Add an assignee so new tasks instantly land with the right owner. Set the priority to high if that suits your workflow, and enter a clear description template. A consistent description helps your team know exactly what to do next and reduces back and forth. When you're happy, click Create to save it. Take a quick look at the trigger area to confirm it's based on task creation. That's your first automation complete. Let's reinforce the concept with one more. Click Add Automation. We'll keep it simple. Select the status you want applied to new tasks. Choose to do, and set the action to change status. With this rule, every new task is automatically organized into your pipeline without any manual sorting. You can also create tasks using automations when certain events occur, which is useful for recurring checklists or handoffs. When your setup looks right, click Create to finish. To keep tabs on performance, open usage to see how often your automations run and whether you're nearing any limits. Then check the audit log to review recent runs, confirm they worked as expected, and troubleshoot if something didn't match your criteria. This visibility helps you refine triggers, conditions, or actions as your processes evolve. That's the core of automating in ClickUp. A clear trigger, optional conditions for precision, and actions that do the heavy lifting. There's a lot more you can build as your needs grow, so consider subscribing to stay updated on advanced automations and best practices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!